Hi everyone, and welcome to my September 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing. Finally, I finally got this. I can't believe how delayed all my beauty subscriptions have been this month, but I always look forward to the BOXYCHARM Premium box. I get this every month, and I'm really excited to start unboxing this and showing you what I got. But before I do, I just want to let you know, in case you're not familiar with me and my channel, that here I will not be trying out all of my makeup products in this video, because I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's where you'll see the swatches, tutorials, reviews of all the makeup products. I also unbox all of my Ipsy and BOXYCHARM subscriptions here on my YouTube channel, and I pay for all of them. I don't get any of them in PR or anything like that. So as soon as I get my last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I'll be showing my unboxing of that, but I did already unbox my Boxy Luxe and my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month, and those are up here on my YouTube channel. So if you like that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And now let's unbox this. Okay, first I've got product information on here, which I love to add up the total retail value, but let's go ahead and pull out some products. Oh, it's like, I already know just by looking at the packaging that this is from the brand One Size, and I love the aesthetic of this brand. And this is the Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil. I'm so excited about this. I got it in the shade Taupe. I love brow products, and this sounds like exactly the type of brow pencil that I like. Ooh, it looks so pretty. So the One Size by Patrick Starr Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil retails for $19. Ooh, some more beautiful packaging. Ooh, this is from Benefit. I am so excited to see the brand Benefit in BOXYCHARM. I have not seen much Benefit in BOXYCHARM or Ipsy, like maybe just like a couple times. But here I got the Moisturizing Lip Balm. Ooh, I love lip balms. I have such dry, chapped lips that I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh, this packaging in this red color. It does smell a little like cherry. I think that's, yeah, in the shade cherry maybe? This is so fun. The Benefit Cosmetics California Kissin' Color Balm retails for $21. I love a tinted lip balm. It's like already two of my favorite types of makeup products to get are what I've pulled out so far. So this is off to a great start. My Boxy Luxe box this month was also awesome. So fingers crossed that I continue liking the products that I pull out here. So next I've got, from the brand Elemis, which is one of my favorite skincare brands, but it's expensive. This is the Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow Radiance Facial Toner. Ooh. Apple, apricot, cactus, brightens, balances, exfoliates. This actually sounds great. I don't usually like to get skincare in my beauty subscriptions, but like I was saying, this is an expensive brand that I love, and I actually just finished my daily toner, so I actually could use another toner. So let's just get a peek at this packaging. Ooh, I really like this. I am so excited to try this. Oh, it actually smells nice. When I see vinegar, I'm like, oh, is that gonna smell terrible? But no, it smells fine. Oh, this actually is not as expensive as I was expecting. This retails for $36. Ooh, but I use a toner morning and night, so I'm excited to work this into my skincare routine. Next up, we've got another skincare product, but also from a brand that I really like, Tula Skincare. This is also a brightening product. It's Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel. Okay, so this is kind of like a makeup skincare in one. I'll probably try this out in my makeup series because I love trying out primers. And this sounds awesome. Oh yeah, very much a balm. I was not expecting the product to look like this. I have not tried out a Tula product in a little while, so I'm excited to try this out. The Tula Skincare Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel retails for $34. See under here. Oh my gosh. At the bottom of my box is one of my favorite things to see, a huge Iconic London palette. I love Iconic London. Another expensive brand that when I get it in BOXYCHARM, I am so excited. This is the Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to see what this is going to look like. Ooh. All of those shimmers. This is like primarily shimmers, maybe just like 4 matte shades. This is right up my alley. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to try this out. And it's got like the pink and purples, which I love. Oh my gosh, like this is the type of palette that I would want to purchase on my own, but I probably never would because it's expensive. Yeah. This palette retails for $62. So I am pumped to get this in BOXYCHARM this month. This really is an awesome BOXYCHARM month, which I've been needing a good BOXYCHARM month lately. And I still have one more product in here. Ooh, and I think this is from a brand that I'm not familiar with. And I love getting to try new brands through my beauty subscriptions. I think the brand is called Dear Midnight Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo, Blackest Night and Starlight. I do not like to get black eyeliners in my beauty subscription, so, oh goodness, if I get, yeah, this might be 2 black eyeliners. Yeah, it just looks like a classic black eyeliner pencil. Okay, this one is at least silver. That's a little bit more exciting. Well, we'll see how these are. Really pretty packaging. I like the aesthetic of this brand as well. Let's see what these retail for. The Dear Midnight Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo. Wow. Retails for $38. That is a high-end makeup brand. Ooh, okay. So, yeah, I am happy with this box. I'm going to add up my total retail value. I feel like even though I'm excited about these products, it's not going to be a super high retail value compared to some other months, but that's okay. So I'll do a quick recap. I got the Tula Brighten Up Primer Gel, the Elemis Toner, the Dear Midnight Eyeliner Duo, the One Size Brow Pencil, the Benefit Lip Balm, and the Iconic London Eyeshadow Palette. And all of this comes out to a total retail value of $210, which is of course great value, but probably on the lower end of value that I usually get in my BOXYCHARM Premium box. But I think I'm just getting spoiled at this point because I'm really excited about every product pretty much that I got in here. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them. I love to get some tips for when I go to try them out. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.